Everybody, I'm back with you. It's rough getting into here. There's a lot of people out today. I think we are clear. Well, let's get on in there and see what they did. Hey, Mercy. Hey, big guy. Well, bucket's empty. Well, okay, so the ball is still there. The bucket's empty. TR is on the ground, still wrapped around the branch and broken. Reflector, ball. I don't see the marble, but interesting. Well, it definitely looks like big feller. Really don't want Mercy in here. So, all right. Put that with that stick coming through it, and the string is wrapped around. If it ends up on the ground again, it took hands. It literally took hands. You can see the string wrapped around it. So, no bags. No bags anywhere. And I see that the bag I put back there is gone now. It only took them 4 weeks. So, yeah. My leaner is moved. Alright, well, shall we fill the bucket? I mean, there's no trace of bags or anything. There's some scat right there. Got seeds and stuff in it. I'm gonna go ahead and chuck that up to a bird. Alright, well, let me get you sit down and Hey everybody, can you gather around? I want to show you something. You don't need to be in your physical form. Just come check out what I'm doing. It's a game that I want to play with you. Okay? Oh. We got this. You see all the holes in it? These are the pieces. They come right out the side. And they go right in one of those holes on the top, like that. Okay? Alright? I will be red, because I'm red. And you guys will be blue. Okay? I will go first. Okay? Just like that. You just take a blue one and put it anywhere you want. Okay? I hope you guys want to play this game with me. That's for sure. I would really enjoy doing it. Okay. So, there you go. Alright. You guys can be blue. I'm red. I pulled my piece out and put my piece right there. Okay. Now you guys come. And you guys are the blue. You take your piece out and put it where you want to put it. Alright, well, there it is. Rehung the tiara. Get the reflector. Tennis ball. Oh. There you go, people. No bags this week. Got carried off somewhere. So, I don't know. May have Fletch written all over it. I don't know. It's his MO, you know? Come get it, take it back to where he can enjoy it. That's it. So, well, I found this tennis ball a while back. Thought they might like it, but apparently I was wrong. Apparently I was wrong. And we'll put that right there. Just put that right there. And this was the branch I hung the tiara on. That's broken. Broken. I don't remember. I'll have to look at the past video, figure out where it was. But broken. So this time I wrapped the string around it and stuck it through the hole. So we'll see if it gets broken. Alright, people. Where's he? Big feller. Fletch. Come play the game with me, okay? It's right there. Please play the game with me. Okay, it's simple. You just take the piece out and put it in the hole on the top. That's it. Okay? That's all you gotta do. So, I hope you all play this game with me. I'd really enjoy it. Here, let's do this. This may have blended in. I'm sure they saw it. There you go. Just like that. I got that like that, that like that, and that like that. So, yeah. It's a lot like fishing. Some days you're excited and getting bites and all kinds of action, and other days the only thing you catch is a buzz. So definitely see where they've been coming through. Stepping over that. Going back there. Huh. I'm gonna have to wait to get out of here. So, since I have to wait, I think I see that bag I put up for big feller back here a while back on the ground and shredded. So, oh, bird feathers. More freaking bird feathers along with one of my bags. And the other bag is back there. So, last time I found bird feathers, there was a little piece of plastic with it, and we'll check that on the way out. But someone mentioned on my completely shredded. All these bird feathers. Another piece of it. Well, got one bag. So, I mean, that's a pile of feathers. Whatever got that bird sat here and plucked it on the spot. So this was finally ripped down. All the contents are gone. So I'll take that, put that in my pocket. All the green apples I put down there are gone, or dropped. Tried to put them up here, dropped them. I'll take this too, just because I don't leave trash out here. Piece of honey bun wrapper. Apparently someone wanted dessert with their bird. Oh, I wonder if those bird feathers up there was where the kill was made, because that's where I found that leg band. Brought back here and plucked. Huh. Found one bag and big pile of feathers. So let's go check that other pile of feathers. See if I can't find that leg band, because that would have numbers on it. For a bird to have a leg band means it was probably a homing pigeon. See if I can find it. I thought I kept it. I guess not, because I couldn't find it. So, very little feathers. Yeah, I don't see that band anywhere. I thought for sure I kept it. I guess not. I looked them up. One of the cheap ones that you buy off of Amazon or something. Get like 100 of them for like $3. Footsteps. Oh. You just got a different color and a bunch of random numbers on it. And I don't think they're official registry numbers, but probably for personal. I'm gonna duck back in here because that helicopter's really low and there's people on the trail. So I can't find that leg band. I thought I kept it. Guess I was wrong, because jeez, I may get stuck in here. Alright, well, I think it's pretty quiet. Go ahead and head out. let them come get their, they do their thing and hopefully play a game with me. So, yeah. Unfortunately, I think somebody saw me. Oh, I will catch y'all later.